Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make two cars and two ornaments, and I'm going to cut this donut. That is not a donut per se, it's just that I grabbed two circles, one big and one small, from different die cut sets, and I'm going to cut them 6 times. We're going to cut 5 for in fabric. Is that wool, felt wool or wool felt, and I'm going to cut one in paper. As you see here, I just made the one in paper and I put glossy accent in top of the fudge or the cream that is on top of the donuts, the glaze that's in top of the donuts. These one are the one in wool felt, and I'm going to cut sew all around, just straight stitching in and out, up and down, in the middle and in the outside. When I'm going to attach this donut to another donut that don't have any glaze or anything, I saw when I start putting inside the stuffing, the sprinkles get a little bit deformed. Maybe because the felt is super soft and thin, but I think it's I iron my felt before cutting it to an iron-on transfer paper. Maybe the sprinkles will not lose their shape. I tried to do it in a different way with a chocolate donut, and it happened the same thing. I didn't try for this the iron-on transfer, but as you see here, I add the sprinkles with Nubo drops, and it worked just perfect. When it dries, they're still shiny, they're still with dimension, and it's great. As you see here, I fill up the donut first and then add the glaze, the chocolate glaze. But when I saw the chocolate glaze, as you see, the donuts get deformed. I finished with I almost finished with my ornaments. You will see them later in the video. And now we're going to do my paper donut that is going to be in one of my cards. This card is 4 inches by 9 inches. It's a very long card because I want to use big letters. I'm going to cut my sprinkles in these colors. I use for the sprinkle almost the same color for the donuts in paper and also the donuts in felt. After this, I'm going to start doing my card, and like I say, it's 4 inches by 9, and I'm going to put the word "do not," and the donut is going to be the O at the beginning of the word. I add a little bit of distress in around the donut to make her look like she's cooked. And under this word I'm going to put forget, because in the inside of the card you can put whatever you want. Do not forget that today is the best day of your life. Do not forget that you are awesome. Whatever you want to put. I'm going to add sprinkles in the word forget, and I'm also going to add sprinkles all around the card. You will see that later on. Right now I'm doing my card base, that is cardstock in white, and I cut 2 pieces. One of these is exactly the same size of the card, 4 by 9, and the other one is 4 by 9.5, and that half I folded and I glue my card there, and I have a little bit extra that I just cut. I'm going to glue my card panel first in black cardstock, and I didn't like the center of the donut to be blue, and I cut it to be black, like the frame of the card. After I do that, I didn't know if I like it more in blue or more in black, but I already cut it. I couldn't do anything else. after I glue my car panel to the car base, I think I already glued it to the car. Yeah, I'm going to glue it to the car base. I'm going to start adding sprinkles everywhere. I didn't know what to do with that empty space, but when I started putting sprinkles in that space, like the sprinkle falling off from the donut, I start doing sprinkles everywhere. I went overboard with the sprinkles, but I love embellishments. Right now I'm going to do my car in fabric. That is a donut that I wish I did the run of the donut darker than that I did it. I did it almost the sad color of the felt. I'm going to go around with this floss. That is dark brown. I want it to be a little bit messy. I didn't care if go straight or not. If you want to go straight, trace lines first with a ruler and a pencil. That way it's super easy go up and down with your floss, with do it very straight. I didn't do any lines. I didn't care if messy or not. This piece of fabric have iron-on transfer in the bottom. It's for that you see me iron it to my car base. The donut do not have iron-on transfer. I'm going to glue her with fabric glue. I add a lot of fabric glue. That is, I was saying that is not necessarily because it glue immediately. This fabric glue is Arlene's, I think, is for the jewels. I think not to wash, something not to wash. I don't remember right now because I transferred the glue to this bottle and now I don't remember the name. And I glue in the sprinkles also in felt, and I'm going to add the sprinkles and the word donut in the bottom and nothing else, because you can add the sentiments inside, whatever you want. The donut, the sprinkles that I add, I saw they are so small that the felt was getting like dissolved or something like that. I don't know. It was getting like out of the car. I add white glue, just normal white glue, and I pressed them down and it worked perfect. The one that I in the donut, I didn't add anything because they are inside the fabric and doesn't anything happen to those. But the one that are outside, they were flaking. I don't know what, but they were freaking out. To finish my ornaments, sorry, this is video going this way, go everywhere. I'm going to finish doing the baker twine to hand them. For the strawberry donut, I'm going to do pink, and for the chocolate donut, I'm going to do brown baker twine. And this is it. This is I finished with my ornaments, and you see here my 2 cards and my 2 ornaments. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.